To download the Sedona-X app, navigate to the App Store and search for Sedona-X. After the app populates, click Download, and once downloaded, you'll be able to select Open. This will open the app, and you'll want to navigate to Settings in the bottom right. Under Portal Settings, you'll want to ensure you have the correct endpoint. Select the Edit button and make sure you have https://alarmbuilder.com. Under Appearance, you can change the theme for the four selected, and you can also select large font size to increase the font visibility. In the bottom left, select Login and use your username and password you use to log into the web application. Contact your administrator if you don't have this information.